Hey friends, if you wish to change pinned or recommended rows in Windows 11 Start menu, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's what we have to do. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Personalization tab on the list on the right hand side, select Start, and then you will have to select more recommendations if you want more of these recommendations for pinned or recommended rows. I mean for recommended, or if you want more pins, then you can select this option, and the default setting is a balance. Now see what happens. When I select more pins, you'll find more pinned options here. When I select more recommendations, you will find more recommended options here, and default is a balance of them. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.